Drew, this is bigger than Dalia Dippolito. This case is about safeguarding all of our constitutional rights. Whether you like her or not, whether she's attractive, fat, skinny, she's entitled to constitutional protection. And what I'm trying to bring attention to in this case is this police department entrapped her. They put pieces of cheese in front of her to draw her in to do these videos.
To be a murder.
Listen, they violated just about every policy and procedure within that police department to get her to do those videotapes.
So this is,
go ahead, but who got her to poison his tea from Starbucks before all of this happened?
Yeah, well, that's fiction too. There's no evidence of that, and there's been no criminal investigation of that. That's the problem with this case. Everybody looked at this case, looked at those videos, and they went right to the conclusion. What I'm trying to do now is tell people about chapters 1 through 10.
Here's the thing. I watch a lot of reality TV, probably more than I should
I'm sorry for that. Yeah, way more than you should. I'm going to admit more than you should.
I should. But I've never, ever, ever seen a reality TV show that followed someone who was planning to murder someone.
Darren.
Like that usually...
If we could
Darren,
shift the focus
you're going nuts, Darren.
from how she's doing in the court of public opinion to how the police went along with the integrity of what they're supposed to be doing in a court of law. And I'm just thinking, when we're talking about integrity, I'm thinking back to a case we discussed recently with Stephen Avery, right? The making of a murderer.
Well, I have been thinking about that.
Where
this reminds me of that.
Well, in a sense, the headline about Brendan Dassey, the nephew who's confessing, and then when you see the confession, it's not really that.
No, that's right.
And,
you're right.
And my wondering about this is, as we look at the police behavior, at the behavior of government officials, we require a certain level of integrity in what they do, objective, reasonable.
And Brian, I think that's the case you're making. But Brian, I'm going to give you an assignment if you haven't done this already. Go home and watch Making a Murderer, because you'll find lots of good ideas there for your defense.